Hi, today I'm making my shrimp scampi. I make this pretty often. So I'm going to start with 2 quarts of water. I'm going to also add my bouillon cubes, olive oil, and at least a teaspoon of salt into the water to flavor the noodles. While that's cooking, I'm going to start with a half a cup of butter, and I do use real butter. I have about 2/3 cup of chopped green onions. Sometimes I use white. It's perfectly fine. You just want them, small enough so they can cook down. And then I'm also going to use 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to chop that, so it's pretty small. And then add that to the butter sauce. My water is boiling, so I'm going to add my linguine noodles. And basically, I use about a half a box of Barilla, and that works. I'm adding black pepper and salt to taste, as well as a half cup of white wine. It can be Chardonnay. I've tried it with Pinot. Chardonnay works a little better. Now I have about 2 dozen very large shrimp that I'm going to add to this butter wine sauce. And I'm just going to let this cook down. It's going to be a pretty quick cooking time because the shrimp will cook pretty fast. These are pretty large. These are jumbo shrimp. So I would say this is about 10 minutes tops before they're pink and the sauce is ready for the linguine noodles. I'm adding a cup of water to this sauce just to thin it out just a bit. I don't like it to be too thick. And so, again, it's going to cook pretty fast. I'm going to now transfer my al dente linguine noodles to the sauce. So they're not quite done. I want to let them finish cooking in the sauce. That's why I also added a little more water to the wine butter sauce. And so it can cook the noodles. So this will be another 3 to 5 minutes. And it doesn't overcook the shrimp. I'm adding a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And again, you want to taste your sauce to see if it has enough salt, enough flavor, sometimes a little more wine. At this point, it's really your creative creation. But this is how I make my shrimp scampi. Once it's all ready to go, the noodles are fully cooked, we're just going to serve it. And once it's ready to serve, it's ready to eat. And that is my shrimp scampi.